Hello everyone, this is detailed project report on React Drum Kit. Project Overview. React Drum Kit is a simple web-based application that allows users to play different drum sounds by clicking on various drum pads displayed on the screen. The application is built using the React JavaScript library and styled with tailwind.css. Objective of the project. The main objective was to make interactive React Drum Kit that allows users to play various percussion sounds by clicking on different drum pads. Also to build with a clean and minimalist style user interface design. Features of the project are interactive drum pad buttons, sound playback on button press, mobile responsiveness, styled with Tailwind CSS, volume control with toggle switch and slider. Technology stack used. Front-end, React.js, Tailwind.css, React Router DOM. Backend, no backend used. Tools used are Visual Studio Code for code editor, Node.js and NPM as runtime JS environment, React.js as front-end framework for building UI, React Router DOM for client-side routing, Tailwind CSS for styling the website, Git and GitHub for version control. There are mainly two pages in application. First one is home page where the drum kit interface loads in the browser. And second one is tutorial page where instructions are displayed to understand how to interact with the drum kit. This is Webflow design for end user on home page. Web application is hosted on Netlify services. Further improvements which can be done such as user can create their profiles and record their drum performances and export the recordings as audio files. Here is the demo of the website. With mouse click. With keyboard key press. Mobile view.